Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Profound Studios' first tutorial. I'm pretty stoked to finally get this one out for you guys. Been working on a lot of stuff, lots of sample packs, tutorials, things like that. So this is the first of them. We're just going to run through a remake of the classic Endor's track, Pump It Up. As we all know, it went pretty freaking nuts, so I decided to kind of dive in and recreate that bass line for you all. Let's jump into FL and I'll get straight into it for you guys. Okay, so here we are inside my FL. By the way, for those who see this and do know me, this is my setup. This is me, bedroom / studio type. That's my chair squeaking. I really need a new one. But yeah, let's may as well get straight into it. Actually, I don't know. I need to clarify this. I know my hair is a big mess at the moment, but with the whole COVID thing, I can't really go get a haircut when the hairdressers are, or at least hairdressers near me anyway, aren't open. So yes, anyways, so let's get into this. I'll show you the bassline. I made it in Serum. Let's show you what I have so far, or not so far, this is the end product really. So that's what I have. I reckon it's pretty damn close to the original when you take a listen to it. I'll have a listen to it now for us. So yeah, I reckon it's pretty damn spot on. But yeah, as you can see, little Profound Studios there. So it's gonna be part of the sample packs and presets packs that I'm releasing in the next week or two. I'll show you, it's kind of what the pack's gonna look like presets wise. I'm gonna add to it. There's about 70 something there at the moment. I'm gonna add a bit more, just kind of putting the finishing touches on everything. And sample pack, it's quite a big pack. There's, you know, bass loops, midis, build ups like long and short, like drum loops, all the one shots, claps, kicks, you know, hats, everything. But yeah, you get the gist. So the plan is there's going to be the preset pack you can buy, there's going to be the sample pack you can buy, and then there's going to be a bundle with the two together plus a few extra goodies at a discounted price. So you can kind of pick and choose what you want without having to, you know, buy something you don't necessarily want. So you may just want the presets, or you may just want the drums, or yeah. So I've done that to hopefully help people, because I know that sometimes if I buy a sample pack and there's stuff I don't want, but you kind of don't have the option to leave something out. So yes, that's what I've done. Anyway, let's get into this because I'm sick of hearing my voice, and I really want to get this in one take, so I don't have to run around in circles all day. So alrighty, let's go to this Serum. It's already in it preset, nice. Well, let's just copy the MIDI so we can kind of hear along the way how things are going. Alright, so two oscillators, both triangles. Oscillator A, chuck it down 2 octaves. Leave this one just at 0. Leave oscillator A level at 75%. We'll chuck this down to 50 though, just so they don't really, we don't want them to clash with one another and cancel each other out. For the envelopes, we'll just leave them the way they are. It's quite a long sustained bass when you hold the note in. So yeah, don't really need to touch the sustain or decay or anything like that. I'm just going to fix that back up to, oh, I didn't mean to do that, don't mind me. Okay, anyway, yes, leave it at that. Anyway, turn the filter on. Gonna put it as low 18, and changing that really, all that's doing is, as you can see, the curve, the opening, that's just letting, like, it's adjusting the amount of frequencies coming in. So obviously 18 letting less frequencies in, and so on. So make sure you tick B when you're recreating it. So both oscillators going through the filter. Let's turn this down to 150 hertz. And let's listen to how that's sounding already. It's already pretty close. Like that's all you really need to do in this part. Oh, by the way, if you see me looking down and up and down and up and all that, it's because I have a stream deck here that's muting my mic when I have the music playing. Just because, you know, if it comes out the speakers into the mic, it's gonna make the whole recording all muddy, and yeah, it's not gonna be a very helpful tutorial that way. So that's what I'm doing when I'm looking. Just wanted to clarify that. I'm very new to this. I'm quite nervous behind the camera, but anyway, let's shut up, Liam. Alright, so effects. Turn on hyperdimension, leave the hyper side of things, and let's go to, we're just going to turn this up to about 24, 25, something like that. Distortion, tube distortion, we'll turn the post on, we'll lower this to 262. And leave the Q at 0.1, and we're going to turn the drive up to 70. Alright, let's listen to how that's sounding right now. Where are we? So you can hear what the distortion is doing. Let's play it without a distortion. It's really kind of like thickening English please Liam, thickening it really, and making it a bit grittier. So listen to it again with the distortion on. Not a huge change, but you know, the little things in music are going to make a huge difference. So next, let's move on. We got the compressor. Not really going to touch anything except for the gain to about 3 decibels. Next we're going to have the chorus. Let's put that up there. And we're going to put this down to about 262. And actually no. Oh, wait, let's see how this sounds. Alright, I reckon 201, and we're going to turn this down. I think I had it on the other preset around the 25 mark. And then last but not least is the phaser. So this is the one that we turn this to about 3,286, and we're going to put that at about, wait, let's have a listen again. I think at 100%'s where it should be, judging by the sound of that. But yeah, so let's listen to the end result really. That's pretty much the same. That's pretty spot on, I think. We're just going to add it to Mixer 2 as well, because what I did to finish it off really, all I did was EQ, just cut it off at about 370, and obviously cutting out the unwanted frequencies above 20 hertz, and I just gave it a slight boost around the 100 hertz mark and the 250 hertz, just a slight boost, nothing too drastic. And then just so you can hear what it sounds like with drums, yeah, I'll play it for you. Okay. Yeah, so that is pretty much it, really. Just these samples are from the upcoming sample pack as well. So a little taste there of what's to come. Don't you? But yeah. So that's pretty much it. I hope I hope this is helpful to you. Yeah. I don't really know how to end this, but anyway, I'll see you guys at the next tutorial. There's going to be tutorials weekly, probably even some live streams, possibly weekly as well. But yeah, I'm super excited to keep bringing you guys these tutorials. My gosh, my English is all over the shop. But yeah, alrighty, I shall see you guys next time. If you could please drop a subscribe, share it around to your friends who might enjoy it, drop a comment on what you want to see next, things like that. It's going to help me a whole lot, and I appreciate it so much. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Catch ya. Don't you know?